Hey guys, this is Shelby. Here with me I have Blizzard. Blizzard is a 1-year-old Labrador retriever and she went through a 2-week board and train. Blizzard used to attack her leash and her harness. Her owners were unable to walk with her no matter how high the distractions were. The main focus with Blizzard in the last 2 weeks was to build stability and desensitize her to the world around her so that she can comfortably walk with her owners and do so completely off leash. Stay tuned to see her progress.
Josh Wilson with Off-Leash Canine Training. I hope you enjoyed another amazing dog put out by my team. Across the country, we don't care about the breed, the size, the age, or the behavioral issue. We're going to make them awesome for you. If you're interested in seeing more videos like the one you just saw, click the image here on the screen. Also, I'd encourage you to check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And before you leave our channel, make sure you subscribe. So every time a new video comes up of another outstanding dog doing some crazy, amazing things, you're going to get notified in your email address. And for more information on other locations we have around the country, check us out at joshwilson.dog. Appreciate you so much for watching our channel. See you soon.